Hello friends, welcome to IT Plus videos. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe it now. And today let us look at the free certificate courses offered by the Great Learning platform. So let's get started. Let's type Great Learning and yeah. So Great Learning platform is the top ranked professional courses platform, and there are learning collaborations like all those universities, the top universities, Stanford Business and even Texas MC Coms and Great Lakes, PES University, and even our IIT Madras. Okay, so this is a free courses website, and you can even get your free certificates over here. No need to pay nothing, just enroll and enjoy your free certification. This can be uploaded in your CV and your online LinkedIn thing, and the recruiters will be very happy to see your skills. So this is the Great Learning platform. See, we have 25,000 successful learners over here and 22 million learning hours and 350 plus hiring companies. So overall here 1500 industry experts. So let's get started with this. And so for getting started, we just need to first register, or since I have registered already, I just need to log in over here. And so I'm just logging in it. Okay, so if once we log in, we come to our account and see there are so many all the data science and business analytics, AI, our artificial intelligence is booming very fastly nowadays. So this is very useful, and stuff like data science, and all those who have interest in this can equally go through this. And cloud computing, for the CSE guys, cyber security and software development, the management, and popular courses. For this, I guess you need to pay for this. Yeah, ranked number 1 AI program in India. So you get a dual certificate from this, and yes, you need to pay for this all. Why? Because these are PG things, but there are also free things over here. And yes, if you just tell here start for free, and you go to this and see there are the upcoming live sessions. If you want like Java interview questions and answers, if you are preparing for any campus placements or any individual company interview, you can just go through this. For CSE guys especially, not only CSE, any branch of engineering can go through. Why? Because nowadays it is told that any one programming language is necessary for every branch of engineering. So these all are equally important for everyone, and these are the live sessions which are free. Once you get to register it, then you are into that. And so see, these are starting from tomorrow onwards, that is Friday 31st July. Okay, and yeah, see, you have the free entirely free courses over here. See, you have everything over here. And even if you want to choose something else like the live masterclass, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, you have a variety of topics over here. And just you even have the feedback of the learners, previous learners, so you can even go through that. And if you have even any some questions which you your queries, you can even go through this. So for every certificate you will be earning for every course you will be earning a certificate. So that certificate can equally be uploaded in your resumes and CVs. So why waste time? Just go and learn it for free, and then just upload it in your resumes. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, this session, and thanking you. If you have liked it, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. And yes, please don't forget to comment. I need your comments. I need to know how it was. Thanking you.